In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen with Google AI Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to aistudio.google.com and sign into your account. Alright, so once you're on aistudio.google.com, make sure you're on the Studio tab, and on the left hand side we need to click on that Stream tab. From there, we want to go ahead and click on that Share Screen button. Then from here, you're going to have a pop-up that's going to appear. So it will say choose what to share with aistudio.google.com. So for example, I can choose a Chrome tab, a window, or an entire screen. So if I want to choose my entire screen, I've got two screens here. I can do screen 2 and click share. And then it'll say AirStudio Google wants to use available microphones, so you can allow while visiting the site if you like, or never allow. I'm just going to do allow while visiting the site. And then as you can see, here's the screen over here. So if I come over here and go into another page or whatever, it's going to share my entire screen because that's what I've chosen.